What's going on, guys? I'm actually going to teach you some different kicks and tricks that you can use against your opponent. This is the best I got. If anybody wants to be a partner, let me know in the comment section if you're from New England. That'd be pretty cool. So we're going to go based off different types of combinations. You know, the best way to fake your opponent, you know, you don't always have to throw something, okay? Or you don't always have to land your kick. You can always just make them think you're gonna throw something. It's fun when you think of it like that. It's just a game of tag if you're doing point sparring or just regular normal sparring, just trying to get some points in and stuff like that. So what I'm looking for you guys to do is focus on one particular kick. Let's go with like side kick. Let's go with side kick. And all I want to do is try to make it look as real as possible to make it look like I'm actually about to tap them, or make it where their hand blocks it to where a certain area. I mean, they could have a lot of arm length, so it really depends on where the kick is going. But let's say the stomach, I'm here, I shoot it, and then from here, see how my knee isn't even fully bent? From here, I'm actually going to do a hook kick, and I'm going to come up to the top. That's actually a combination I've been working on my Patreon. I want you guys to check. But all I'm doing is here, one, and then I come up. So as I'm here, I'm doing my side kick, I come in, and then I come up to the top. This guy's leaning back. So I'm here, I come in, and then I come up to the top. So that's what I'm doing. I come in to do the side kick, making it look like I'm gonna hit, and I'm really close. But assuming I'm getting close at this close as it is, hand comes down, come up, go for the head. His hand would be technically right here. He'll be pushing my leg down. That's the expectation. The expectation is I'm gonna throw the side kick, he's gonna try to block it, and I'm gonna evade it. I'm hoping he evades it, because by putting his hand down, it allows me to strike the head. If you want to do like practical combat sparring, you could use your back leg and then go to the stomach, because if you want to make it look like a leg kick, you know, a nice side kick to the leg or something like that, I'm here, 1, 2, that's fine too. I'm here, I go 1, 2, and then I go to the head, stuff like that. With the other leg, 1, 2, all that. I come up, 1, fake, pivot my leg, come up to the top. Just that simple, just stuff like that. I hope you guys enjoy that video. It's just very basic stuff that you can try and help you with your balance. But check out my Patreon if you like what you see. Kamsahamnida. Thank you.